Good morning everyone. Today we are heading off to the Kuang Si Waterfalls. I think that's how you say it. Heading off there this morning. I've seen some pictures from these waterfalls and they are the most beautiful thing I have ever seen. So yeah, I thought for my first proper YouTube video, I would take you along with me. The first thing to say about this is what a view to wake up to. The first thing we did was make sure to get our data sorted before we left the Wi-Fi from our hostel. We then rented a bike for £6 a day and got on our way. We've been dropped off and we've still got a bit of a walk to go, I think. I don't actually know how far, but this is currently where we're walking. Got a little forest setting. We have just walked around the corner and look.
That is pretty amazing.
There was such a nice lunch spot right next to the waterfalls that I definitely recommend you go to. After most of the day here, it was then time for us to head back to the town. However, we did have to stop off for some smoothies before we got back to the hostel at the most beautiful place I have ever seen.
This is really good.
That is a good video. Sun setting, didn't get much better than that. Good.